Welcome back guys, and thank you for tuning in to this brand new video. It's been a while, I've been gone for like 3 weeks. Unfortunately I was forced because after a streak upload of 21 weeks uploading in a row, my PC broke down and it had to be repaired. It took a long time, it took 3 weeks, so I couldn't really upload. I got my PC 2 days ago, so I immediately started setting it up, practicing for the next round of iRacing, and now we're back here finally with our weekly series to 3K iRating. If you're new here, this is the series where I weekly try to improve myself on iRating in the Mazda MX-5 Cup and trying to get to 3K iRating as soon as possible. And normally guys, I'm racing in a production car challenge, but as you can maybe already see, today we're back in the classic MX-5 class. And yeah, you probably wonder, why would you go back to that hellhole with all the crashes and all the chaos? Well, it's because of we're racing on Oschersleben here today, and it's my favorite track, at least my top 3 favorite tracks, definitely all time. I love to race here, so thereby today I chose to race on Oschersleben. So we're gonna do, I think, 1 or 2 races, depends a bit on how it goes. I'm really excited to be back on YouTube again, glad to have you guys back, and without further ado, let's jump straight into the iRacing race. Yes guys, we're into the quali session, and I got a feedback from you guys that yeah, it should be less yapping, more racing. So with that keeping in mind, I'm gonna keep this short. We're gonna jump straight into the quali lap in a bit, but first I noticed that the iRating is crazy in this lobby. I'm like the lowest iRating guy here, except for one guy, I think. One guy even. I love this track. I've practiced a lot on it, so I really trust myself a lot on this track. So I don't think the iRating says that much. So let's now lock in, get a good quali lap in, and let's try to start as most up front at the field as possible. And yeah, let's push. Ah! Oh, Allard, man. Ah, fuck. That's annoying, guys. Damn. I was like 1.5 tenths up, but I hit that curb there, that sausage curb, but unsettled the car, and I lost all my speed there because I had to wait before applying the power. Ah, that's a shame, because if I improve with 1.5 tenths, then maybe there was a possibility that I could jump towards speed 2. But for now, a 1:38.7 is actually a pretty solid lap. I'm really happy with that. Wow, Top Guy just said the 1:38.3. That's literally what the one of the best rated guys on iRating drive. That's insane. But nice, that's actually my PB, so not much more I could do. Let's see if we can keep this P4. Yeah, let's hope that we can start from up front. But for now, I think I'm quite happy with this quali. 1:37.6, that's mental. That's more than a second quicker than me. That's insane. Yeah, of course he has like triple my iRating, but still. What the f— Wow, I'm actually nervous for this race since everyone is so close to each other. Oh, that's gonna be 12 minutes of pure chaos. And I think the key is gonna be staying so insanely consistent, because these guys are probably gonna be rapid. Oh, whoa, what the? What? That was crazy. Oh, tires are so cold, we have to watch out. Oh. Okay, we got some breathing space from behind. For now I'm going to stay back. Because if I attack him, the whole pack will be right behind me. Oh man, so far so good. My heart is racing. Oh! Yeah, surprise, surprise, me making a mistake. I was on the sausage curb and then the car was not very controllable, but I think I actually prefer it like this because now I'm in the middle of the pack before and the guys behind, so I can just do my thing, which is all good to me. Someone hit the cone. Oh! Number one made a mistake, that's rare. I think he might have a slowdown or something. Okay, we've got to lock in because we lost a lot of ground to the car behind. And especially when I'm going to do stupid stuff like this. Oh! Yeah, I had to take that off track because I didn't want to lose that position yet. He sent it slightly up my inside. This first turn is going really bad. I'm really annoyed by myself for not getting that together. But we now have like a gap to the cars behind this yellow guy, so I hope he understands we don't have to fight. And I have to lock in and focus. Let's do that now. Oh damn, he was close to me, okay. Oh, what the hell is going on here? What the hell was that? That was a bit weird, because suddenly they were all next to each other. Damn, these guys are battling hard. Yeah, would it be wise to send it there? Got some breathing space to the guy behind, but I'm not going to attack here because these guys are battling so hard. And you could just see that the pack was right up on us. Oh, what the f... He did it again. What is he doing there all the time? He just suddenly stops. I gladly take the P3 though. Okay, wow, we're actually really lucky with that. But let's try to push and at least get a podium in. Now we gotta stay consistent and not let him get close. We still struggle a lot through this corner and lose a lot of time here, so I think I need to brake slightly more there. Okay, that was actually good. Damn, lots of gravel here. Slightly affects the grip towards that corner. Still not happy with my pace through that corner, but can't really get it right. I hope that the guys behind are really close to each other are going to start to fight at some point, because that could provide us some opportunity to get away. It's actually curious to see that everyone takes a lot of different lines. This is the most crucial corner of them all. If you fuck this one up, you have a really bad long exit, and then they can easily catch up to you. Okay, he's slightly gaining on me because he was first 1.2 seconds and now like 9:10, so let's keep an eye on that. It's okay to take a track limit because we need to push. Yeah, we're driving really strong here, but he can just keep up. He's just slightly faster than me. Especially when I do stuff like this. Right, good defense. Ooh, okay, that was crucial. We got a good exit through here, but this is my weakest part of the track. Oh yeah, we're looking good for that. Just to be sure, I took that off track there. Oh, whew! What a race, guys. Damn! These guys ain't playing. They're so consistent. Oh, wow, guys. That was a really good race. Still, like, too many mistakes from my end. Like, small mistakes. Oh, but they're so crucial. Because, like, at this level where you... I'm not even that high iRating, because I'm still relatively low. But at this, like, level, as you reach some certain point, if you make just one minor mistake, they're gonna, like, try to attack you. It's crazy, guys. But wow. Whew. Podium in, I think, top split, maybe split 2. I'll take it. I'm really happy with that. Let's look at how we did in the results. Hey, what? Damn, we got a podium in top split. That's crazy. What? Wow, top split, guys. That's really cool. I always love to race there because you just race so fast, guys, that you always learn a lot. But damn, guys. Whoa, I didn't even notice the iRating. 75. That's crazy. Okay, wow. We're actually making steps towards a 2.4K iRating, which is crazy. We lost a bit of safety rating. That's fair, in all honesty. I got like, what is it? Like 4 instant points, so fair enough. Because, of course, and what is it? 4 off tracks in a 12-minute race is, of course, yeah, not too good. But sometimes, especially in this sprint race class with only 12 minutes, you have to take some off tracks on purpose because sometimes it can save you up so much time. It's insane, especially when you're pushing into like the final lap. So that's crazy. But damn. Let's look into our performance. If I look into the best lap, then we weren't really that fast. We're 3/10 under our quali pace. Because you can see in the races, I got a little bit more pressure and you can see the small mistakes I make. Of course, I was lucky because someone got crashed out. And the other guy, I don't know where he ended up, but he was driving really weird. He parked it somewhere and then he hit another car, so that was crazy. I think after this, guys, after this video, I'm going to check the lap consistency because I want to work on my consistency as well. So yeah, I think we can call it a successful comeback on YouTube, guys. If you watch it all the way here to the end, thank you so much for watching. It means a lot. I enjoy posting YouTube videos a lot. And if you consider subscribing, it would help me a lot to grow. I would really appreciate that. I see all your comments, guys. I always read the comments, so just so you know, you get noticed. And yeah, once again, thank you so much. And hopefully I see you guys into the next video next week. Because from now on, we're going to upload every week again. And improve on our streak of 21 videos. We're going to break that streak, go for even longer. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.